Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are making air fryer baked oats without banana, and this is a very simple recipe that you can easily double for meal prep to have for breakfast or brunch in the course of the week. So let's get started. And for this recipe we're going to be using some rolled oats. When it comes to oats, you want to make sure that you're not using steel cut oats, as they don't grind so well for this recipe. I like to process mine in a blender, but you can also make them without blending by just combining the ingredients in a bowl. I wanted to keep this recipe vegan, so I'm using almond milk. Any plant milk will do, such as soy milk or coconut milk. You'll also need some maple syrup or honey. I like to fast grind the oats, but you can also just pop everything in your blender or food mixer and process. Next, I'm going to add in our leavening agents. I have a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda respectively here. And I'm just gonna combine this. Next goes in the cacao powder, followed by a teaspoon of cinnamon. You can also use your favorite spices such as nutmeg or pumpkin spice. We want to add something that will incorporate some moisture into it, and I'm using applesauce. I will provide all the measurements in the description box. I also have here a tablespoon of vegetable cooking oil. I'm using olive oil, but any neutral vegetable cooking oil will do. Next comes in your maple syrup or honey. You can also use other forms of sweetener as desired. You then want to add some vanilla extract for aroma. Again, you can use what you prefer, such as almond extract. It will totally depend on you. For some protein, we're going to be adding some peanut butter. You can also use almond butter or any nut or seed butter that you like. So I'm just going to close this and just give everything a good mix, and then we're going to proceed. And I am using my Ninja Foodi 9-in-1 multi-cooker for this recipe, but you can use any air fryer that you have. Just make sure to use a baking tin that fits into your air fryer. You can also make individual size portions by using small ramekins, so that's also something that you can do. We're just going to place the baking tin inside the air fryer. If your tin doesn't have something that will help you get the pan from the air fryer, you can use a trivet or make a sling using aluminum foil. I'm going to set the time to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 150 degrees Celsius for those in the UK or countries that use Celsius, and the time to 25 minutes. Then we're going to check on it. And this is done. We're just going to check whether it's done by inserting toothpick in the middle, and it's come out clean. In case the cooking time is over and you realize that your air fryer baked oats are not done, then just increase the time by 5 minutes and then just keep an eye on it. You can serve this air fried baked oats with some maple syrup or honey. I sometimes like to serve mine with some warm peanut butter. It all depends on what you like. I hope you enjoyed this air fryer baked oats recipe. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe, as well as click on the notification button below. I'm glad you stopped by, and until next time, bye bye.